Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set time in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you find your time is wrong, then you can change your time and set your time perfectly. Okay. For that, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to additional settings and here select date and time, and if you would like to set time, just turn off this button, set time automatically, and then click on time and adjust time here. Okay, so here I am selecting 15:45 minutes. Okay, time is in 24-hour format. If you would like to use 12-hour format, click on it and here you can use 12-hour format. Okay, so 3 hour 45 minutes PM is selected. Okay, if you would like to use AM, click on AM and yes, it is selected. Okay, so yes, time format is now set. Okay, time is set now, and go to the home page and see the changes. Okay, so in this way you can easily change time and set time if you find time wrong in your phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.